Hey gang, in a couple of my previous videos, I mentioned making some things out of some old oak tables. I mentioned in the shiplap video how I made my mantle out of some old oak tables, and I also made my waterfall edge end table out of those same planks from that table. I actually still have some of that wood left over, and so today I'm going to show you what you can do with it. If you've been watching this channel for a little while now, you've probably made yourself a set of classy coasters, and your cocktail parties are the talk of the town. But you're also probably wondering, is this all there is? Is there anything else I can do to bring those cocktail parties up a notch? Or is this the best we can do? Well, today I'm going to take you to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing to this channel automatically boosts your cocktail party status. Like, subscribe, have better cocktail parties. Everybody has a set of old table legs just lying around gathering dust, don't they? Perfect. With that, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is mark the approximate center of the squares. I say approximate because I found out that these table legs are not quite square, which makes finding the center of them a little bit more difficult. When that's done, I'm going to drill a pilot hole into each leg. This might not be completely necessary, but I didn't want my Forstner bit to jump around. If you have a corded drill, now would be a great time to use it. I went through a lot of batteries. I would have preferred to use my Impex driver, but my Forstner bits don't work in it, so I had to work with what I have. I apologize for the shaky camera. It turns out one of my tripod legs was touching my workbench. If you've got a lot of brawn, you can just hold your table legs with a good sturdy hand. Ouch! Oh no, I broke a nail! On second thought, maybe clamping is a good idea. Imagine that, it's so much easier to drill with a smaller bit. Boy, these are going to be some great looking candelabras. It's been a little while since I've had to do any sanding, so here you are. Who am I to deprive you of one of life's great pleasures? I'm just doing a real light sanding with some 100 and then 120 grit sandpaper. I didn't go too wild on the sanding because I wanted to maintain the antique look of the table legs. Once that's done, I'm just going to quick wipe off the dust because, as I mentioned previously, we've all got old table legs laying around gathering dust, and at some point in time, that dust needs to be wiped off. I thought about doing some sort of finish on the tops of these, but all the finishes I had were highly flammable, and that didn't seem like a good idea for candle holders. So maybe I'll figure something else out down the road. It's okay. You have my permission to dream about a romantic candlelit dinner.